600. KaCi Bird. It's got it. Hey, gang. Hey. I'm drilling, I'm killing, I'm hopping right out of the car like bang. Hey. Wash through the dough, everybody on the flow. I've done this before so many times, but the adrenaline never get old. They'll rush through my bones, through my blood, to my soul. Listen what you're told, cause I'm itching to unload. Pistol whipping this bitch, better give me all that dough. It's for sure they getting killed, my man OD'd off they dope. How you think it's just a defo, now you owe me even more. We ain't killing for no reason, while I'm squeezing, you should know. They claiming blood, but now they bleeding, I'm Crip Walking on they soul. You get changes like a season, man, it ain't even the dope. It's the treason, and you even try to keep me as a bro, thinking that I never know, till it's too late, now this demon about to blow. There goes your brains exploding out your skull. Man, your bitch thought she was coming, but I dumped that hoe. The arms missing the freak though while I'm dunking on the foe. Lil KaCi spit that crack, gang on the block, you puffin' coke. Kid go take some notes, believe me, don't trust a soul. You will see who really your bro when you end up in a hole. Just hope that bitch ain't 6 feet, cause that's the end of the road. Why I do this by myself, don't need no help, I'm on my own. For these lame ass bitches, I'ma gain cash, figures gain stacks bigger. I'ma smash like a train crash. If he missed that hit again and hit fast, quicker when the trigger blast. Gameplay and change the size, Nintendo Switch, ass niggas. Never turn my back on my day ones. You can run, I'ma spray guns at your back. Heard they got a hard head, then I'm shooting at the gas. My saliva, the most potent coke, is smoking, spitting crack. If you ever against me, your name, I'm smoking on that pack. If you ain't with me, you against me, make a decision and make it fast. And what I say, no, I meant it, and I'll never take it back. Cause at that moment, that's exactly how I felt about it. Smack the taste about your mouth, you talking down upon my name. And if you hating and I slap you out, it's cause I ain't hearing what you saying. Watch how you talk about your low, don't say this name in vain. One man army and God guard me, by myself I'm screaming gang. Hey, gang. Trillin', I'm killing, I'm hopping right out of the cut like bang. Hear my name and the bells ring. Came in the game, and you know that I'm here to stay. They say, man, Lil KaCi, you be cray, dog. I don't think I'm crazy, I think I'm hard. Fuck these bullets, you can catch a fade, dog. Anytime it can go down on the spot. My blade might slap this bitch, will get you fucking laid, dog. You fuck the hardest like me, she be in and out the cut. I'm out the cut. Look in the mirror like I'ma make a way, God. He got me, don't have to prove it, but they y'all gon' see what's up.
Hello, this is KaCi's lawyer. If I could make a request, can you please remove this beat from YouTube? I only ask because it has obviously been murdered, and now you are just disrespecting the dead.